Welcome to our tutorial, Use PIRS filter to search for information. We will show you today how you can make use of the vast filter options offered to you in your PIRS. Filters are available in all grids regardless if you're currently working within a folder or view. For our demonstration today, we will use the view All Correspondence. You can filter each column individually in order to narrow down your search. Let's say, for example, you need a list of all correspondence sent to your customer within the last quarter of 2015. First, we want to select a period, and I go to the column Date, unfold the column Options, and select Filter. Now I select the start date, and an end date for my time frame. As you can see, the view content is already adjusted to my selection while I set my filter. Next, I want to define the sender, my company, as well as the recipient, my customer. For this particular value, we can use the sender and the recipient code, which is used to generate the unique reference number for each PIRS correspondence. But currently, the sender and recipient codes are not displayed in my correspondence grid. However, you are able to adjust the columns as you see fit. Simply open the column options on any column and select the columns you need. They will be added to your grid right away. Going back to your needed filter, I can now select a filter value for my sender code, in this case SOBIS, as well as my recipient code, in this case MEW, for Ministry of Electricity and Water. Of course, you can select filter for all columns, and depending on the column, you can select your value from a list, as we have just done, or you can enter your search criteria manually. For example, if you want to look for correspondence referring to meetings, you can use a filter for the subject, and the star symbol, you might know from other search engines like, for example, Google, allows you to indicate placeholder to widen your search. Again, as I was typing, PIRS has already started selecting the results. There might be certain filter combinations you use on a regular basis. To access these filter combinations quickly and easily, PIRS allows you to save filter combinations. Select the More options and click Save Filters in order to save your personal filter. Once you have saved your filter, it will be opened in a new view. In order to access all your filter and all the filters that have been saved publicly, enter the Filters view. In case your search didn't show the expected results, you can change or deselect any of the filter. For example, the filter for the subject. In addition, you have also the option to clear all filter with one click by using the Clear Filters option. Please keep in mind that when you switch to another view or close the application, your set filters will automatically be cleared. For example, if I click again on All Correspondence, all the content within this view is represented to me without any set filters. Thank you for watching our tutorial, Use PIRS filter to search for information, and please don't hesitate to contact your PIRS responsible or your SOBIS service desk if you have any questions or need further support.